Google Lens adds skin condition detection, Bard integration and more. Google has introduced several new features for Lens, including the ability to search for skin conditions. Lens, a visual search tool available on the Google app for Android and iOS, receives over 12 billion visual searches every month, says Google. Another headlining feature that has been introduced in Google Search is that it will now allow you to see how a particular piece of clothing will look on real human models. Here are the latest features of Google Lens. Identify and learn about unfamiliar objects. Lens can recognize buildings, landmarks, plants, and animals, providing information and links for further exploration. Search for visually similar skin conditions. Take a picture or upload a photo of a skin issue, and Lens will find visual matches to assist in researching similar conditions. This feature can also help with describing other physical symptoms. Translate text in over 100 languages. Use the Translate filter in Lens to capture and translate text from signs, menus, and more. The translation is overlaid directly on your phone screen. Get step-by-step homework help. Snap a picture of a math, history, or science problem, and Lens will provide instructions to help you solve it. The feature supports multiple languages for search results. Shop for products you find interesting. Take a screenshot or use Lens to capture an item you want to buy, and it will provide shoppable matches with links to purchase from online merchants. Find variations of desired products. With multi-search in Lens, combine images and words to find specific versions of products. For example, search for shoes in a particular color or find a pattern for your curtains. Regarding the new features, Lu Wang, Senior Director, Product Management, Google Search, said, "With Lens, simply use your camera to search what you see, whether it's capturing a photo, taking a screenshot, or long pressing an image while browsing." Google Bard to integrate with Google Lens. As per the Google blog post, in the coming weeks, you'll be able to include images in your Bard prompts, and Lens will work behind the scenes to help Bard make sense of what's being shown. Google Search for users in the US, Google has introduced a virtual try-on experience that displays how a piece of clothing will look on realm human models. These models will have different skin tones, ethnicities, hair types and body shapes ranging from XXS to 4XL, to give a clue how the clothing will look on a particular person. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it informative and interesting. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more technology news and updates.